Hi there. For this next video, I wanted to talk to you about getting extra blank pages when you print a Word document. We looked at one in the previous exercise where we were looking at it happening in Excel, and it's slightly different reasons in Word. If I have a look down the bottom of my document here, can you see my document finishes on page 6, but when I go to print, just move this little chap out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Can you see it says 6 of 8? And if I go into page 7 and page 8, you'll see they are completely blank, but Word insists on printing them out for some reason. Now, there's a couple of different reasons why this might have happened. And the best way to track it down is to use this little button on your Home tab, which is called Show All. It's basically showing you what they call non-printing characters. So every time you've hit return, you get a little backwards P symbol. Every time you've hit a space, you get a little spot symbol. Those characters don't print, but they're really useful for you to see why your layout is the way it is. And if I go down to the bottom here, you can see there's a page break. And normally speaking, you can't see your page breaks in Word. But once you've switched on this little backwards P symbol, you'll see your page breaks appear as little dotted lines. If it's a full page break like mine is, you'll actually see the word page break. If it happens to fall at the end of a sentence, you might just see a few little dotted lines at the end of the sentence there, but you can delete them just like you can an ordinary character. So I'm just going to hit delete and get rid of that. But then when I go back to my print preview, can you see I have got rid of one page? It says 6 of 7 actually now. But if I go and have a look, page 7 is still there, even though I got rid of that annoying page break. And I'll tell you what it is. Can you see all these little backwards P symbols? At some point, this document had some other information in there that was deleted out, but the return symbols didn't get removed. So I can highlight them just as if they were normal text, right up until the point that I'm just underneath the text that I want to keep, and just hit delete on my keyboard. And now if I try to print my document, you'll see it says page 6 of 6, and that's the last page. So I would recommend, when you are working with things like page breaks, section breaks, bullets, numbering, anything where the layout of your document is really important, leave this little backwards P on so you can see all the little symbols. And if you want to switch it off again to make your document look a bit prettier before you check your document out. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We're doing a whole series of videos at the moment on sort of issues, tips, tricks, problems that you get with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Power BI, any of those sorts of things. And give me any comments in feedback in the comments if there are things that you would like videos made on, and we will add them to our schedule. Thank you very much for watching.